honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I decided to get up and fix a quick brunch, MzBrazell style. I ain't fixing no eggs and bacon and all that. Fixing some hot tamales. Okay, and I fixed them in my Foodi extra large grill. So I put a foil pan in here. I put water in the bottom of the foil pan. When I buy the hot tamales, I always wrap them in foil. These are the ones that are wrapped in corn husk. So I set it on, what did I set it on? Let me see. I think I set it on the roast function, and it was preset for 350, I believe. Yeah, 350 for 25 minutes. So that's what I let it do. Stop. Off. Okay. So we're going to see. And they were frozen. I'm going to show y'all the bag, how the bag looks. It looks inside. Hot tamale. Oh, it smells good. Ooh. You know, say I'm always eating some junk. It's a real Mexican hot tamale, which I love. I'm trying to hold this hot. It's a real tamale. Ooh. I'll take the camera off. I'll show y'all in a second. I started not to film it. So I usually like to film stuff when I begin the process. Woo. But better late than never. This Foodi grill is amazing. It cooks everything. Just a minute. Okay, this is what the hot tamales look like when I buy them. The brand is Del Rio Foods, Mexican tradition for modern life. Pork in red sauce tamales. And they come frozen. By the time I get them, I wrap each one with aluminum foil. So they're ready to be steamed. It has the instructions on the back, but ain't no instructions for no Foodi extra large grill, so, or air fryer, so you have to use your own judgment. Sometimes I put them in my rice cooker with a little water in the bottom and steam them that way. But how many were in here? They come 10 to a bag, and I like them a lot. Let me put them up. Okay, I'm going to put some hot sauce and ketchup on my hot tamales. That's what they look like. I'm just going to leave them in the corn husk and the foil and eat them like this. Let me fix them. Ketchup first. I'm going to put salt and pepper and garlic powder and all that on his. Plus barbecue sauce. Trying to open up another bottle of this Texas Pete hot sauce. And this is pork in here. Okay. Cut some. So it looks. Like I said, it started out frozen hard. Good and meaty. I'm gonna taste it. It's had time to cool down some because it was popping, steaming hot. Good eating. Season. The meat is seasoned. Plus a little ketchup and hot sauce I put on top. It's good. Sometimes when I make chili, I drop one of these down in the bottom of the bowl and eat this along with my chili. Good, 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 good. Mmm. It's good eating, y'all, for real, for real. So, I want to thank you for watching this little quick, impromptu video that I started not to make. So, thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the Sunday. Okay, bon appetit. This is a good brunch. I ain't too sure about dinner. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'll put a link to the foil pan that fits inside this Ninja Foodi extra large pan. I'll put a link in my description box. So I ain't got to wash this pan. I just have to wipe it out every now and then after I cook. Okay, I'm gone for real.